Hi, today I'm reviewing the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm and Lip Glaze. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money, so if you want to help keep the channel independent, check out my products at the Amazon link below. So, Milk Makeup has come out with a couple new Kush-themed products, in addition to their mascara and eyebrow products. And I picked up both of them, thinking I would try them both out, kind of compare them together. So, and now after trying them for a little bit, I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on it based on my Sarah score scale. So my first criteria is packaging, and both of these packaged are very nicely packaged. Kind of a heavier packaging. If you tried their Kush Mascara, you know that is a heavy tube of mascara. But the lip balm's pretty heavy, but it's packaged quite nicely. And the lip glaze is also packaged really nicely, and I really like the applicator tip they put on it. It's metal, so it kind of is a little bit soothing on your lips when you apply it. So they've done a very nice job packaging these. My second criteria is alcohol, and neither of these contain any denatured alcohols, which is always a very good thing as well. My third criteria is fragrance, and this is the main area where they slipped up a little bit with these. And I'm not a huge... I'm pretty sensitive to a lot of fragrances, but on my lips, it's not typically as big of a concern to me as like Tile Fragrance Serum or moisturizer. But these, they did put a significant amount in. Both of these, I'll start with the lip balm. It contains fragrance, peppermint oil, which can be drying over the long run, but gives them, usually lip products, a nice flavor, minty flavor, or sometimes even gives a little bit of a tingling effect. Now, where they really slipped up, in my opinion, is they included citral, and citral is one of the more sensitizing fragrance ingredients, citral, and then the other one they also included is gerinol, which is also one of the more sensitizing fragrance ingredients. So I'm really not a huge fan of those, and most people that fragrance doesn't bother them, most people still don't prefer to use things with citral or gerinol in them, even if the fragrance doesn't bother them. Usually citral or gerinol they're not a huge fan of, even if most fragrance ingredients they don't mind. And then it also contains limonene and linalool. So the lip balm has quite a bit of fragrance ingredients. The lip glaze has fragrance, and then peppermint oil, and then citral, but it doesn't include gerinol like the lip balm does, so the lip glaze has a little bit of a one-up on it, in my opinion. And then it also includes limonene and linalool, so it has a little bit of a minty taste, but nothing overwhelming. So if you're not a huge fragrance fan, it's nothing overwhelming, and it dissipates usually within about the first half hour of wear. So it's not a big issue, and usually if there's a moisturizer that includes citral or gerinol, I try it, and then after that I never use it again, because they are pretty sensitizing. So I think citral was the sensitizer ingredient of the year a few years ago, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was. So if you're very sensitive to fragrance, you're probably going to want to pass on these, but again, you're only applying it to your lip area, which isn't like all over your face or anything, but still can be a little bit sensitizing if you have very sensitive skin. So I haven't had any issues with it, but I'll tell you which one I prefer at the end of the review. So let's see, my fourth criteria is the manufacturing location, and both of these are made in the US, so no issues with that. My fifth criteria is ease of use, and like I said, the lip glaze is very nice to use. It gives your lips kind of a nice glossy sheen to them, and applying it with the metal applicator tip has a little bit of a nice soothing feeling. So let's see, there's a little bit of gives your lips a nice shine to them. So very nice. I've used these over some matte lipsticks, and actually it gave a nice glossy finish to the lipstick without messing it up or smudging it or anything, so that was kind of nice. So I've been using it that way as well, or sometimes in the morning if I don't use a lipstick, I'll just throw this on, so that's nice. And then the lip balm smooths over skin easily as well. The shade that they've named this is Green Dragon, so I'm wondering if they're going to come out with a few more shades of this. I guess we'll see, or I could be way off on that. So but both are very easy to use. I find the lip glaze to be slightly moisturizing, and the lip balm in the long run to be a little bit drying the next morning or after you rinse it off. So, but both are very easy to use. My sixth criteria is antioxidants, and the lip balm contains olive oil, shea butter, coconut, cocoa, and obviously cannabis oil and cannabis extract, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil. So it's got a lot of good beneficial ingredients as well as a lot of good hydrating ingredients. And the lip glaze contains a little bit more. It contains squalane, jojoba seed, shea butter, cannabis seed oil, lecithin, cannabis seed extract, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin E. It includes a peptide and then sodium hyaluronate. So the antioxidant list for the lip balm or the lip glaze is significantly longer than the lip balm. So, but both contain a lot of good beneficial ingredients, antioxidants, and hydrating ingredients. My seventh criteria is animal testing, and the Milk Makeup brand is cruelty-free. My eighth criteria is performance, and like I said, the lip glaze leaves your lips feeling soft, hydrated, very smooth, very nice and not dry. The lip balm initially, in my opinion, left my lips feeling hydrated. However, over the course of wear, my lips ended up feeling a little bit drier than had I not used it at all. So I'm not sure if it's from some of those fragrance ingredients or if it's just the formula or just the fact that the lip glaze is just that much more hydrating. So if you're looking for hydration, the lip glaze is, in my opinion, the way to go. And the fact that it works well with makeup or other lipstick is nice. The lip balm, when I applied it over a matte lipstick, didn't work out so well. It kind of smudged it and made it look uneven. But the lip glaze I didn't have any issues with. So that was the nice thing. My ninth criteria is the price, and the lip balm is $16 and the lip glaze is $18. So not much of a difference, $2 difference. So kind of expensive for the average lip product, but if you shop at Sephora, it's about average. So if you don't, it's a little bit more pricey. And then my 10th criteria is the it factor, and obviously the cannabis is here to stay. I see it will be a huge trend in the next year. There's already a few products I've seen, coming soon products. The Peter Thomas Roth brand has several new cannabis-themed products coming out very soon, and a lot of different brands are using it. So it's a good emollient. It sounds like it could really help with some good skin issues, especially hydration and dryness. There's not a ton of official research on it, but so far the things I've tested that include it all have been very hydrating, and I haven't had any issues with sensitivity or breakouts or anything from it, so that's definitely good to see. So it's definitely a trend that's here to stay, but I really wish they didn't include the citral, and the lip balm I really wish they didn't also include the gerinol. I'm fine with peppermint, I'm fine with vanilla, I'm fine with fragrance, but some of those gerinol and citral are just kind of no-nos, especially if you have sensitive skin. So overall, they would have been a little bit better if they would have not included those. So, but if you're trying to decide on one or the other, I would recommend the lip glaze. The lip balm is just not as hydrating as the lip glaze is. So, and it's also a pleasure to apply. So, worth checking out. So, overall, these got a 7 out of 10, which is decent. So, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try these or not, or if you've tried anything else out from the Milk Makeup brand. They've kind of got a unique lineup of products, kind of on the go type things. So very interesting brand. But they're also at more stores than just Sephora too. So for me, pretty hit or miss. I like their new mascara. Their original mascara was just out of control. I couldn't use that very well, but their newer one is nice. So and some of their skincare products are unique and different themes. So I'll have to review more. So anyway, so definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below. And if you want to help support the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys.